Welcome back to Alltech. Today we're exploring the Anker USB C to USB C cable, a high-performance charging solution designed for speed, durability, and universal compatibility. If you're looking for a reliable USB-C cable to power your devices, this might just be the one for you. Let's break it down. First up, let's clarify what this cable is, and isn't. The Anker USB C to USB C cable works exclusively with USB-C chargers. It's important to note, this cable is not compatible with USB-A chargers or USB-A ports. If you've got a USB-C setup though, you're in for a treat. It supports power delivery, delivering up to 60 watts of high-speed charging. That's enough power for phones, tablets, and even some laptops, giving you the flexibility to charge multiple devices with just one cable. With universal compatibility, this cable works seamlessly with almost all USB-C devices. From Android phones to MacBooks, the Anker USB C to USB C cable gets the job done. However, keep in mind, it doesn't support media display. So if you're planning to connect your device to an external monitor, you'll need a different cable. Now, let's talk about what sets this cable apart. Its durability. The hard-wearing nylon exterior and bulletproof fiber core make it incredibly tough. In fact, it can withstand up to 5,000 bends. That's perfect for anyone tired of flimsy cables that fray or break after a few months. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just someone who needs a durable cable at home, Anker's got you covered. In the box, you'll find two 6-foot cables, a handy hook and loop tie for easy organization, a welcome guide, and the peace of mind of Anker's lifetime warranty. Their friendly customer service is also there if you ever need support, making this a solid investment for the long haul. So, is the Anker USB-C to USB-C cable worth it? Absolutely. With its fast charging capabilities, universal compatibility, and long-lasting durability, it's a fantastic choice for anyone using USB-C devices. Plus, the added lifetime warranty makes it even more appealing. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alltech. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to USB-C accessory? Until next time, stay charged and stay connected.